Hey Hokies! So, on today's episode with Cooking with Cook, we are going to make a very easy microwavable mac and cheese. So, you're going to start off with just some regular elbows or any type of pasta that you like, and we're going to do about a half cup in a microwavable safe bowl. So, first, we're going to add a half a cup of water into our macaroni mixture and microwave that for about 2 minutes. So I actually ended up microwaving it for an additional minute just so it could get super soft and the noodles could boil properly in the microwave. And then I'm just going to add a little salt just for flavor. Nothing too crazy. If you want to add some pepper, some paprika, go for it. And then you also want to add a quarter cup of milk. It can be any milk you want. I'm using half and half just because I feel like it gives it a little bit more of a creamy texture. So I'm just going to pour that into my mac and cheese mixture and then mix it up a little bit. And then I'm going to add the cheese. So the cheese that I currently have is this Mexican blend, but I think it'd be really good with like sharp cheddar, pepper jack, like literally any cheese that you want. And you just put a good handful in there. This is a quarter cup, but who's really measuring cheese? And then you're just going to pop it back in the microwave for like maybe a minute just to let it cook a little bit. See how it goes. So it just came out of the microwave and it actually looks pretty good. Like it has a really good consistency of like mac and cheese and it's like very gooey. I feel like you could add like so many things into it. Like if you want to add bacon or vegetables or some more seasonings or different types of cheeses, like, or if you have an oven, you could even try to bake it. I don't know, but it is a very easy recipe, and I definitely think that you guys should try it. So thank you for watching Cooking with Cook, and I hope you guys have a great finals extravaganza and a great rest of your semester.